Welcome students, welcome to another session of computer science class. So as you know about both the chapters we have completed, and last week we have stepped into practice session which was already over for chapter 1. So today we are in second chapter, practice session day 1. You know students, in practice session we deal with real life based questions which are all practical based. So based on these questions you will get an idea how to do or solve those practical based questions. So today we will discuss those two questions, and tomorrow we will carry forward another two questions of this chapter. So shall we start? Alright. So here is two questions from Time to Think, where first question says, Sneha's friend has a good collection of cartoon movies. Sneha wants to copy the movies to her computer. The total size of the movies folder is 4 GB. Which device can she use to transfer the movies? If I translate this sentence, स्नेहा का जो दोस्त है उसके पास कार्टून मूवीज का अच्छा खासा कलेक्शन है, एंड स्नेहा चाहती है कि वो मूवीज को वो कंप्यूटर में कॉपी करे। तो मूवी का जो फोल्डर है उस फोल्डर का साइज है 4 GB। सो क्वेश्चन कहता है कि वो कौन सी डिवाइस स्नेहा यूज करेगी जिससे वो मूवीज फोल्डर को ट्रांसफर कर सके। Student, if you remember, on this chapter, I guided you the units of memory. There was one chart, the smallest unit of memory was bit. But to calculate the memory, we starts with byte, which is the smallest unit. So, the scaling of those units is shown in the table on this chart, which is this one. So, we will deal with this section, which is gigabyte, because the size of that movie folder is in GB or gigabyte. So if you remember the example of storage device that I told you, it is a place where you can save your data, where you can move that data. So there are few examples that are shown in this table. If you check the features of every storage device, your external hard disk, which has a USB cable which you can directly plug in to your computer cabinet's USB port, you can still carry the data from. Nowadays, you are getting 1 terabyte of external hard disk. Typically, those hard disks started from 320 GB to terabytes. There are different terabyte sizes, but nowadays a minimum 1 terabyte external hard disks are coming in the market. So you can use this one for to copy 4 GB folder of movie to Sneha's computer. Apart from that, if you check CD-ROM's capacity, which is 700 MB, so it is obvious that 4 GB data cannot store in a CD, which is much smaller in size compared to GB. So you can't use this storage device. If you check for DVD, the storage size of DVD is 4.7 GB, which is under the capacity of the size 4 GB. So आप इसको भी use कर सकते हैं to store 4 GB of movie folder. And the last option is pen drive, which is also known as flash drive, which comes under different capacity or storage size from 1 GB to 64 GB. Nowadays, higher capacity of pen drives are also coming. So among all these three, if I discard the CD-ROM, I have an option to carry 4 GB of movie folder to any of the storage device. But among these three, I would go for pen drive. Why so? Because pen drive is typically a size of a large eraser and it is easy to carry. It comes in a pocket and you can carry that pen drive anywhere wherever you want to go. However, for external hard disk which has a huge storage, still you can use this one, but we still require some additional uh, pouch or cover to carry this hard disk. We won't go for DVD also because it's a thin plastic round sheet which if um, which which can affect maybe which may break if you carry without any case. Additionally, you require one DVD drive to write whatever storage capacity you want to save in a DVD. We need writing software that is Nero or any DVD writing software, and we require DVD drive in order to write the data on a DVD, which is a time consuming process. Among all these, this is the best method to copy your data in a pen drive. Alright, so let's go for the next question, which says Sneha has created a project on wildlife conservation. The size of the project is 15 MB. Can she use a DVD to store the project? Which other storage device would you recommend for her? It is almost the same question. It also talks about storage device where Sneha is working on a wildlife conservation project and the size of her project is 15 MB. It is being asked that can she use a DVD to store the project? My answer is yes, because a DVD can store 4.7 GB of storage. Which other storage devices would you recommend for her to her? See, other than DVD, you still have other option to store the data. So, first choice is yes, I can copy all those data, project data, which is a 15 MB of size, which is much smaller than GB. So I can still write in DVD as well as in CD. But nowadays, DVD drives are not coming on the latest computer system as well as these are also going obsolete, which is coming no more. Manufacture of these drives has been stopped. So these two drives, storage devices, are much popular than these optical devices. So other storage medium still is CD-ROM if you have CD-ROM drive to write on, or else you can go for external hard drive and or pen drive. So copying a data compared to these two, optical disk is much easier in hard drive as well as pen drive. Okay, so this is the end of today's session. Please practice your chapters. As you know, your PA is head on 22nd of May. Today I want to give you some points to remember. If you can prepare on your own, definitely you can go for. Other than that, please prepare for checkpoints, challenge zones, and points to remember that is given in the book pages that I shared to you. Alright, the more you practice, the more tips or lectures, the topic that I covered in the last session. It is easy to remember for you, and you can attend more and more questions precisely and get good marks. So tomorrow, student, we are going to carry the next two questions which is given in let's practice, and after that in coming days I will try to give you few questions, very short questions which you have to answer within a sentence or in one word. So do practice at home, and if you have any query, do message me or call me. I will try to help it out. Okay? So see you then tomorrow. Goodbye for now.